Okay, this thing is on. Okay, so good evening. I recently bought some products in app through Amazon, audio products actually, that I'm going to do for today. So for today, I'm going to do a product review and unboxing. So the first item that I bought from Amazon, which I'm going to do, is a Bose Soundwear. This is how it looks like. So why do I bought this item even though it's very costly? I think it cost me through Amazon in dirhams, 1,000 dirhams. That's what. That's the cost of this product. So why I bought this product? I love to listen about podcasts. I love to listen to podcasts, music, and audiobooks. So most of my colleagues know that I do have a hearing deficiency. So I'm not quite comfortable already in wearing those earbuds. I never like those earbuds, even they're selling through wireless headphones. I never like it. When I was young, maybe, but since now that I'm a little bit older, not that old, I'm 35 at the moment. Huh? So, and now that I discovered that I do have a hearing deficiency, I can't anymore wear those kinds of things. So, I don't want to damage more of my senses. But the thing is, I really love to listen to music and to um, podcasts and to audiobooks. So that's the thing. So basically, this product is you wear it on your neck like this. So I've been eyeing for this product for very long now. It's quite peculiar. It's quite strange at the moment when you use it for the first time because you don't usually have that same feeling if you're used to headset to those kind of things that you put in your ear. This is very different. This is very different because it's a different feel. It's wearing on your neck. But I usually wear this thing or listen to this thing when I'm doing something, when I'm cooking, or I'm taking care of the kids, or even here at work actually. So don't tell my boss that I'm doing a product review while at work. So what are good about this thing is of course it's Boss. So you pay a little bit pricey than the usual speaker that you or the usual products that you're having, but the sound is very good. It's very rich. It for this very small package. It has bass. It has everything that you need. So if you want to listen to music personally, but you need to move someplace within the house within the range of let's say 10 meters, so this product is for you and for people who has hearing deficiency. So I'll just get my tablet and try to connect this thing so you can hear what how rich the music is. So eto na. So let me check. So I'm turning it on. Here's the button for the turn on.
Battery 40%.
So it's telling me that
Pulse iPad.
so,
Galaxy Note 8.
so it's telling me that two items are already connected to this product. So the first one is my tablet, the second one is the mobile. So for now we're going to try my mobile. So let me see. I don't have any music here because what's this? The audiobooks already and the podcast already occupied most of my space. So by the way, the tablet that I'm using is an iPad 9.7. I don't want to make a product review of it because already a lot of people have already made a review about regarding this one. So no need. It's redundant. So anyway, let me try some music. Let me try some Metallica on it. So Metallica. And then the second one.
Unlimited movies and TV shows. Sign up for your
I don't know if you can hear the product, if you can hear it from here, but okay. So now I don't know if you can hear the music. So the music that I'm playing now is Metallica and the Sandman. So this song is dedicated to Michael Edson, who's very fond of Metallica. So there, that's sample number one. What else could we play? So let me try to play a little bit of R&B. R&B 2019. I'm no longer okay. So there's a lot of R&B music that I could play into. Okay, let me just try one. Want you to be happier when the morning comes, when we see what we've become. In the cold light of day, we're a flame in the wind, not the fire that we begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back. Cause with all that has happened, I think that we both know the way that the story ends. Then only for a minute, I want to change my mind. No, that means I'll have. See another song? This time, darling, just keep me slow. Your heart is all I know, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark. So okay, so far for audio music, so that's how it goes. I hope you have heard the music. It's quite good. So now, well, I've been using this product for, let's say, 3 months now, and I could say it's a very good product. I love it. I love it, especially when I'm listening to audiobook. It doesn't impinge or doesn't prohibit my movement. I can go anywhere with this. As I have set 10 meters. Maybe it can go a little bit further if there is no wall. So basically the controls are here. The shape is like a half donut shape. The controls are here. So this is on. This is what's this? Change of connection. This is, I have 3 buttons here. This is basically the volume control, up, down, and press play, stop, forward. So basically it has 3 controls. The charging is on this part. This is where it's a little bit not, I wouldn't say problematic, but it tends to be a little bit hard because this is the charging place. If you can see, it's a very small hole. If you're if you're used to very small hole, so this product is for you also. So all in all, so for this product, because it's quite strange, it's quite peculiar. At first, I was a little bit in doubt if this would be heavy on my neck, but no, I really love this product. So I give it a 4 out of 5. So moving on, the second product that I just recently bought is this. I don't know if you're familiar with this product. So in the box it said Aeropex wireless bone conduction headphones. So it's the back part of it. So what? As I've said earlier, I do have a, what's this? Did I say it earlier? Okay, I can't recall. As I've said earlier, I have a hearing deficiency. I can't hear properly on my right ear. But the thing is, I love to listen to music, just like anybody else. I love to listen to podcasts, and I love to listen to audiobooks. So these are the 3 main things that I do love to do I love to do as a part of my task on a daily basis. So while I'm cooking, I'm listening to music. While I'm taking care of my kids, I listen to music, audiobooks, whatever. So for this type of products that earlier, the Bose. So if you are working in an area where noise is necessary, for example, an alarm, people around you, are telling you something, and you just need an ample amount of ambient music. For example, what's this? And yeah, things like this, or cafeteria music. So just to make you feel relaxed. So these are the products for you. And if you have hearing deficiency, who's just like me, who's not quite comfortable with doing the with the earbuds, earphones, so things like this. So these products are for you. So for now, let's open this one. Do I have a scissor? Yeah, I do have a scissor. So with this product, there has been, I think, two other products what's this? Aftershocks has produced. The first one is titanium, and the other one is air. This is their latest product that I have recently seen on the market. So far, before I bought this item, I already read some review or seen some review, and the feedback was quite very good. So we're on to the second pack. So how do I open this shit now? Okay, I think. Oh, so be open. Be open to what? Okay, so this is the second part of it. So from here, be open. So ooh, it's nice. Now let me check. Okay. So what about this product? This bone conduction, just like what it's telling is, the sound is being conducted to your bone. So it's not directly going inside your ear. Okay. So how the fuck do I turn it on? So it's a box, obviously. So how do I open it? Do I open it on this side? Yeah, because it's on this top. Okay. Parang ka nag-open ng Toblerone. Tcharam! Oh, I didn't pull through enough. Okay, so that's it. Okay. So there's a silicone case for it. And there's the manual. So there's one paper that's basically telling you how to turn it off immediately if you don't want to have the dazzle or the technicalities of the manual. Okay, what else is inside? So this is nice. So there have something like a tiny beanie that you put on your ear, siguro para hindi ka makarinig ng other things if you want to go solo. But as I've told earlier, I don't like putting anything on my nose, rather on my ear. Let me say, I hope I clean my ears very well. It's like that. Oh, why? It's the part. Welcome back. If you want. Okay, I'll just return it back. This is not the product that I need to review. Okay, so I have two cables. So this is cable number 1. I have two cables, identical cables. Let me check. Yeah, I have two identical cables. Is it part of the product? I don't know. To provide them with two cables. So I guess it's good. But as you can see, where hard this part, you can see it. Kakaiba siya eh. So the other end is here. So yun nga, siguro kakaiba nga. Why is it focusing? So yun nga, kakaiba yung charger niya. Anyway, I do love things that's quite peculiar, kakaiba. So why not? Coconut. So where the okay. So let me just turn off my Bose first. So okay. So what's it say on the card that I've seen? So instruction for Bluetooth connection. When turned off, yeah. So when turned off, press and hold the plus sign for 5 seconds. So where's the plus sign? Let me see. So that is the plus sign. It's on the right corner. It's on the right part of the headset. Turn off. So 5 seconds, very long. 5 seconds, very long. Don't let go until the blue indicates blue and red. Now the repairing. Okay. Turn on the Bluetooth on your mobile device after look for aftershocks. So press plus for 2 seconds for blue links to turn on the headset. Okay. Press plus for the red links to turn off the headset. So okay, so basically there are two controls here. So this is negative, this is positive. But how do I forward the music? Anyway, let me see. There's another button here. Okay, this device can detect liquid residue during charging. If there is sweat in the charging device, the device will flash blue and red. The core of the helmet will also vibrate and with beep beep warning. Please dry the liquid on the charging port and the device can be charged normally. So that's an indication of the other part of the card. So the first part is the where how to turn it on. Second part is when there is wet moisture on the charging port. Okay, so as instructed, so it turned off. Did I turn off my Bose Sound already? Let me check. Let me hear. I don't know.
Battery 30%. Connect.
Now I turned it off. So moving forward. So it basically said welcome to Aftershocks. I haven't pressed 5 seconds yet, huh? So let's see. I'm using my iPad now. So let's go to settings. So it's not showing off. Okay. So it's showing now Aeropex by Aftershock. So let's connect. Okay. I can. Let me try on music. Has the same outlet. Okay. Let's try Metallica again. Yep. How different this is from the regular headphones. Okay. So, quick verdict about the product. The reviews are correct. So, it couldn't quite match the regular headphones. It doesn't have the same output as the regular headphones, the regular music that we're hearing. Actually, my Bose, the music output that my Bose is coming out, is producing, is quite better. It's quite better for music. But if you're using the Bose product, other people might hear you. But for this one, you have a more personalized approach. For this one, most personalized approach. So only you can hear. So the feeling is quite different. The feeling is quite different for this one. It's like a headphones, but it's not a headphone. The music is coming into your ear, but it doesn't also at the same time. I don't know if you're getting, if you do get me. So the feeling is different. The feeling is totally different. So that's it. That's the point of it. It's a totally different experience. Also from my Bose, it's a totally different experience. The headphones and the headsets. I would say that using a headphones and a headset, using a good pair of them, is still the best. But for me, what I'm trying to say is I do have a hearing problem. My work needs me to be cautious or to be aware of my surrounding. So I basically will choose this product instead of the headphones and the headset. So though for this I haven't tried this for calling in, because for calling my wife or other people. Let me see next time. Okay, let me try another music. Blippi, no. Let's say Senorita. Okay, it's vibrating. It's reverberating. Really, it's quite different. I couldn't compare it to the other products that they have produced. Is there somebody calling? I don't know. Okay. So it's nice. Let me try an audiobook. I'm listening currently to what is. I have a copy of it in ebook, but I'd like to try it also. Here's the thing. I'm reading through ebooks to paperbacks, but I'm also listening to audiobooks. If I've read something in a paperback, I'm also listening to it in a audiobook. If I listen to it in an audiobook, I would still bought the item and still bought the book, and read it. So that's how passionate I'm into books. So yun nga, nabul na ako. So katagal lang ba? Huwag na. Never mind. Okay. Okay. So product review, it's not quite good. It's not there yet. The audio output is not there yet. I wouldn't recommend it to those people na gusto talaga makarinig ng magandang music. So for this one, but I would say again, this is for people like me who has hearing deficiency, or a certain amount of noise is needed for them to be aware of their surroundings. Because using a headphones, you will shut down yourself to your surroundings, so your environment. So especially when you're already listening to your favorite song, you will be immersed with the music. So for this product, I don't think that I've lost my money. It's still a good product, but let me see. I need to use it for another 3 months, maybe, for a very long term, or when I'm out. So, but at the moment, I'm in a controlled environment where it is very quiet. So That's it. So anyway, my next product review. I just tried it first time. Bye.